So I'm going to be doing a first impressions review and swatch video for these mini lipsticks from Just Herbs. So let's get right into this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Beautethical. If you're new here, my name is Archana and I help you ease into the cruelty-free beauty world one step at a time. So if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing and let's get right into this video. These arrived a couple of months ago and I didn't have time to get to this, and today finally the day has arrived when I am going to do this video. So let's just take a quick look at these lipsticks. This is how it comes, and these are the mini lipsticks. There are still a few inside this. So this is so I guess the caps are not very sturdy, so be very careful when you're removing these lipsticks. So this is the size of each lipstick, and I must say they are very tiny. But if you want to have a complete range of lipsticks without spending tons of money in it, I would suggest buying mini lipstick shades so that you have one lipstick of each shade. So let's just go through a little bit of what they've written on the back of the packaging. They say, herb-enriched ayurvedic lipstick. Our latest crowdsource is guided by the belief that choosing between looking glamorous and using safe and effective makeup is a choice you should never have to make. A lot of our customers have long wanted us to come up with lipsticks that not only make you look great, but are also packed with nutritious herbs, oils, and vegetable waxes that nurture and repair. So take your pick from this palette of shades and embrace the hashtag glamorously green movement. So most of the ingredients in these lipsticks are natural and organic, and this is not a vegan range, but it definitely is cruelty free. It's not vegan because I read Serra Alba, which is beeswax, which comes from bees. So this is definitely not vegan. If that is what you are looking at, then this range is not for you. But if you are looking at a cruelty-free range of lipsticks and you want to own an entire range of lipsticks, this might just be it. So let's just check each of these shades out very quickly. I am going to be lip swatching these and putting on some music for you to enjoy while I lip swatch these, and I'm going to go from lighter shades to the darkest of shades, and then at the end we are going to talk about how I feel with each lipstick on my lips, what colors I like, what colors I don't like, and all that good stuff. So let's get started with the swatches. Actually, let's just go shade wise because each of these shades have a number on them, and they are numbered from 1 to 16. So let's just get started with number 1 and then we move on in a chronological order to number 16.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there? take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
So that completes lip swatches for all the 16 shades, and the shades I love the most are these four. This is number 4, number 5, number 6 and number 10. These are my most favorite shades from this range, and the shades that pleasantly surprised me, I have two of them right here. One is shade number 9 and the other one is shade number 14. Shade number 14 is too red, and while I was applying it I thought I'm not going to like it, I'm not going to wear it, but this shade, after applying it and after seeing myself in the mirror, I really loved this shade. And I feel somewhere this shade and shade number 6, I think one of these, I think between shade number 6 and shade number 14, one of these can be a dupe for the MAC Ruby Woo. I have never personally used Ruby Woo ever, but whatever I have seen of it, I think number 14 would be a closer match to Ruby Woo than number 6, but I think both of them are beautiful shades. I have really loved these 6 shades out of the 16. And honestly, I really liked all the shades in this range. There was no shade in this range that after applying and looking at myself in the mirror, I went, oh my god, what is this? There was nothing like that. But if I come to it, there are these 3 shades, number 12, number 11 and number 15, which I may or may not use in regular life. That's more because number 15 is kind of too pinky for me. This is something that I don't prefer anyway. Number 12 is something that is a nude kind of a shade, but this also is not very complementing to my kind of skin tone. And number 11 is again, I think, a shade of pink, which I would not prefer, but it does not mean that these shades are bad. It's just that for my skin tone, I might not wear it in regular life. I'll still wear it on camera because it does look quite flattering on camera, but not in regular life. So these 3 shades are something that are kind of okay for me. But as I said, I liked all the shades in this range, and there was nothing which made me go, oh my god, I hate this. There was nothing like that in this range, and they are really moisturizing, and you can see it doesn't crack up your lips. All the lipsticks I applied without a lip balm, so this is really moisturizing. There's nothing dry about it. I am not sure how long it's going to last, although this is the last shade that I'm wearing, shade number 16, and I am going to keep it on for a little while to see how long it goes. But what I was worried about throughout the swatches was that these little mini lipsticks are quite flimsy, and 1 or 2 broke on me while I was applying it. I had to just press them on and stick them together and apply it again. So if you are getting these mini lipsticks, I would advise you to put them in a palette rather than using them like this, because I was really scared of applying even slightest pressure and applying it on my lips for the fear that it'll break, because 1 or 2 did already break. If you're going in for the full lipstick, I don't think that should be an issue. The only thing now that I have to test out is the longevity of these lipsticks, but I really love all the shades. I love the formula, and they actually sent me this after quite a while after I ordered. Say, I think they took 1 week to 10 days to send it to me, because they make fresh batches of lipsticks when you order, and that is what I was told. So I'm not sure about the full size lipsticks, but these mini lipsticks, I think they make it only after you order. So yeah, that completes my swatch video and first impressions and review of these mini lipsticks from Just Herbs. So if you want to go ahead and purchase these mini lipsticks, the full range is really beautiful. I will leave a link down in the description box so you can check that out. And what I love about purchasing a whole range of lipsticks is that you have access to any shade which caters to any mood of yours, and you get a full range of lipsticks without a hole in your pocket. So that is something that I love about these, and about the breaking of lipsticks, you can always put them in a palette and use them with a brush. And I would have really loved if the packaging was slightly different and these came in a palette form rather than in these little flimsy little packaging, because this is something that I'm really scared to use for the fear that it'll break on me while I'm applying it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give a thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also do let me know in the comment section below if you want me to review any other products, so I will try and get to it as soon as possible. So I'm going to let this lipstick remain for a while to test out the longevity of this lipstick, and I will definitely add a note to this video to tell you how long it lasted. And today I wore a completely natural kind of a makeup look because I am sure a lot of you would want to see how these lipsticks would look when your face is looking more natural. So that is why I wore this kind of makeup look. And coming to natural looks, I have a course on this which I've recently launched on a platform called Graphy, and in that course I teach you how to achieve a very natural looking makeup look which you can wear every day without having to worry about the face caking or the foundation creasing on you or the concealer creasing on you, or without having to worry about the fact that people notice that you're wearing makeup and it looks bad on you. So if you want to know how to get this kind of a natural look, I am going to provide a link in the description box down below to my Graphy, so you can go ahead and click on that link and I will see you on that platform. So I very quickly wanted to show you a quick close-up of the lips after having food. So this is how it looks. You can see that the lipstick is still there. It has gone very slightly from the inner side, but to be honest, I was not careful while eating my food. I ate with my hands. We generally eat with hands at home, be it dal rice or curd rice or whatever. So I've had a good full kind of a meal and I was not at all careful, but you can still see that the lipstick holds pretty good even after not being careful. And I'm really pleasantly surprised because I washed my hand with soap and water and you can see that the tint of even the lightest shade is still there on my hand. So this is something that I really quickly wanted to tell you guys, so I thought I'll just pop in and give you this update. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you again very soon. Bye and take care.